You're looking to have your air duct system cleaned, but you don't know where to start? Here we are to help you at Wiz Team. What we did, we created a little drawing here to introduce to you simple layout of HVAC system in a residential setting. What we have here is typical air handling unit capable of producing hot, cold, or neutral air depending on your comfort setting at your thermostat. Any forced air or HVAC system has air handling unit. We have cold air return lines with the planums and all branches, plus we have filtration housing with a proper filter, and then we have a supply planum giving you hot, cold, or neutral air in your rooms. Typically, through the airflow, because the system breathes in through the cold air intakes and breathes out through the supply lines, the air being pulled in through your air handling unit picks up dust, mold, pollen, germs, viruses, dust mite, fibers, and many other microparticles. That's the reason why the air duct system is highly recommended to be cleaned every 3 to 5 years. Not only to improve indoor air quality, but at the same time to improve efficiency of your air handling unit, to reduce the cost of gas usage and electrical bills. I will explain in details how Wiz Team performs air duct system cleaning in a residential setting. As promised in the previous segment of the video, I'm going to talk now about reasons for your air duct system cleaning. If you answer yes to any of the following, then you're perfect candidate to have your air duct system cleaned in your home. If you have any sufferer from allergies in your home, somebody who is having chronic cough, runny nose, or frequent sinus infection, your air duct system definitely should be cleaned. If you have recently remodeled your home, hardwood floor finished, or you're planning to replace your HVAC system with a new unit that costs thousands of dollars, your air duct system should be cleaned prior to new installation or right after the installation, due to the fact that contaminants and pollution from the duct lines and main planums will go through the air handling unit recently installed and will create cross-contamination. When it comes to cleaning frequency of your ductwork, air duct system should be cleaned every 3 to 5 years. If you recently purchased your home, it will be impacted and reflected on overall maintenance of the home by previous homeowners. You don't know what might be in those duct lines belonging to somebody else. So what you want them cleaned. When it comes to cleaning, you should always choose NADCA certified service provider. NADCA stands for National Air Duct Cleaning Association, where all professionals who attempt the class of NADCA has to go through education classes and pass written exams, just like Wiz Team Inc., who is certified by NADCA in performing of air duct system cleaning and ventilation maintenance. I have here sample of common dust that is found in the air duct system cleaning. This is hair, dog hair, pet hair, and fine dust that is embedded in it, and it becomes easily airborne. What we did for demonstration purposes, I put the little color-coded balls right here representing all kinds of pollution as mentioned in the previous segment, what is typically found in the duct lines. When we perform cleaning of your air duct system, we clean every single supply and cold air intake line. So the dust that you have seen and debris and contaminants came from all belonging supply lines, cold air intakes, main plant supply, and cold air main plant. What we have here, we have a plexiglass main trunk where you can visualize how the cleaning process flows and how it goes. We set up our negative air unit on the right hand side, which is going to create powerful suction to entire air duct system, while we on the other hand created an access point where I can use one of our agitation devices to perform loosening up and agitating all these contaminants in color-coated balls and allow them to get pulled and sucked and contained within our negative air unit, which has powerful HEPA filtration. Now, all the contaminants have been removed from the main plenum. You gotta keep in mind, the entire system would be under negative air suction. So we would get suction and cleaning of all belonging branches, supplies, cold air intakes. As you can see in the video, this plastic is also attached just for demonstration purposes to show you how much suction was happening during the cleaning process. Now, after cleaning of your air duct system, you will notice immediate improvement in indoor air quality, efficiency, performance of your HVAC system. You're gonna notice improvement in dust buildup in your home, especially on dark pieces of furniture, so it's gonna be tremendously reduced. So if you have any more questions related to air duct system cleaning, don't hesitate, give us a call at 847-526-6060. We'll be glad to answer any questions that you might have and assist you in making an informed decision when it comes to air duct system cleaning.